Hello guys, what's up? This is Farm543 Gaming here, back with another Mut-season pack opening. So that was the last pack I opened, and
you need to do some reading now.
what?
Play on Madden, okay?
What is this card?
Appreciate that you did the Chi 3000.
That's
I want to
weird.
look at that.
Open a couple
Are you okay
packs.
there?
Yeah,
Josh Norman,
it's
wow.
like, I had a question not about this, but
91 and
do you
88.
think like next time like I
Same
ask
card.
Kathleen like if she wants to come over, do you think I should ask her like what time works for her instead of saying oh
96
over this day?
lost signature players so far. So you can pull some more signature players.
It's hard to get a hold of her. I don't think she does.
Charles
Want
Johnson.
to get
Oh,
a
still pretty good.
very busy year.
Oh yeah, I
Oh,
remember
Boss
it.
Legend, come on. Boss Legend was amazing.
Maybe like
Why
this
can't we
summer.
pull Boss Legend? Never pull Boss
Sorry,
Legend on
I
camera.
didn't mean to be annoying.
Hopefully I can pull Boss Legend in this video. That'd be insane, you know. Alright.
Yeah.
You guys are so busy. Look at you right now. You're studying everything.
Gloomback and Marco Murray.
I did see Cassie last weekend though.
Yeah.
For the play.
And you also saw Sarah too at the other play.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with this. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever.
And let's see if I can get something good. No. If I pull Boss Legend, that would be pretty good.
Mr. Backslash, what do you want for lunch?
My dad's talking my videos again. I'm sorry about that, guys. You can't control everything.
Like that call Mr. Backslash.
Yeah. What do you mean?
Because he has an interesting name and he goes on.
We got another 2 Combine Hero guys. 99, yawn.
They actually have a fuse.
Ooh, you
If
puppy.
each edge of the cube is
That
double
is
the
good.
volume. On the volume, the cube is multiplied.
Try your phone.
82.
Change of the cube is double the length.
Okay, let's see. Can we get something insane like a Boss Legend? Please. Never get them on recording. It's not
Your
good.
cube is 2 by 2 by 2.
Ooh. That is pretty good because I got Adam Jones, Odell.
2 by 2 by 2B.
Yeah, you want me to draw it?
I already draw it. Waste your time.
Odell.
Oh, well, you don't have to draw it.
He like,
No, the cube
yeah, an overall Boss Legend.
is the same. 2
Come on.
by 2 by 2 is all the sides are the same, right?
Mhm.
So what do you get?
Julius Thomas.
That's 2 times 2 times 2.
Okay, let's go reveal all method.
8.
Okay, so write that down. 2 times 2 times 2 plus 8.
Poloni Nada.
What's the music?
Charles Johnson,
Does it put it in my computer?
No, it says.
and Jordan. I actually pulled this guy on my main one time.
That's weird. It's not even.
Another reveal all
Oh yeah,
method.
it's coming from the bottom.
Boom.
What the heck?
Looking good. Final reveal all method.
I thought I turned the bottom.
5
No,
elites.
2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So
Mhm.
Nothing really that good. Okay, just first.
and double the length.
We had 6 elites. CJ Mosley, DeMarco
4
Murray,
plus 4
Antoine
plus 4.
Bethea.
And that's what happens.
64.
Okay. Why is it so hard to pull Boss Legend?
Multiplied by a factor of
This
2.
is like easier. Because you always pull Ultimate Legend. Can I pull an Ultimate Legend even? Can you pull an Ultimate Legend? Okay, I'm just gonna keep right through this. I'll pull someone. Okay, and this one, good pack. Okay, that could be good. That could be a good pack. Oh, what?
Oh, it
What?
has to be 8. 8 times 8 is 64.
98 Johny Manziel. That's like crazy.
I was kind of confused looking at it.
It's confusing because we have to make sure you understand what's going on here.
That's
I didn't
182k
know they were
back.
looking at it to be 64.
Oh my god.
Well, it says, then the volume of the cube is multiplied by a factor of remultiplied.
Oh damn. That's crazy.
It says here, in the volume of the
Whoa.
question from the volume of the cube multiplied by a factor of
99 all
It
divided
says
by
2, why would you multiply by a factor of 2?
right after
Multiply the volume 8 by 2, you get 16.
9 OBJ.
Oh, I get it.
What I mean,
OBJ.
I don't get what you mean.
Bruh.
You got like, you got
Let's
the
pack opening
median
right now.
of 64.
182k back. Bruh.
I was confused. I don't know what it's saying. No, I didn't know
Sean
what it was
McCoy
saying.
could be a good pack. But bruh, I pulled 99 OBJ and 98 Johny Manziel.
Like, pay attention to what it's saying.
It's amazing. Okay, come on.
It says multiply the volume.
Full boss legend on camera. Is that going to be possible?
The length, but then you have to look at the volume. Okay, how it affects. And there's a couple steps you have to
Full
do.
boss legend, please.
So what do you have to do?
Boom.
Multiply.
No. Come on, Mike, can I full boss legend? I ain't seen any
Like
Hawkins.
the 3 twos, right?
Not bad, you know. Can I get some really good pulls? Full boss legend for one of these guys. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, okay, that thing was in here. Here you go, opening about these backs. Showing backs.
Maybe 2.
Charles Woodson. Wes Walker. UNC Fudgerson. I mean, 98 goes for so much. And then 99 too. Okay, let's just try to find some elite, some reds. Target pack. Okay, let's go. And the reds. Incognito. Okay, the rest of the pack. Let's look at Kirk Gilmore. Incognito's not bad. He's not crazy. Either, but that Johny Manziel though. For so many. He's going to go for a lot. I don't think right now. No, not really.
Figure out what factor gets you to the second one.
Boom.
Or be the question is yes.
I'm not crazy.
So I don't know how you want to say that. You can say whatever you want to say.
Not really. Good. You gonna get something?
Multiply.
These packs are good. That's this. That part of the pack is pretty good. John's in trouble rolling with like Wagner. Okay, let's see. Come on. Can I pull a boss like the boss right now? I'm just gonna pull a boss legend. Eli Manning. So okay, boss legend or golden ticket if you can even pull one of those. That'd be insane. That'd be really incredibly awesome. Not even close. Other friend. Not good. Yeah.
Oh,
Well, Jackson. Come on. Okay, that's probably. Okay, it's definitely a good place to end.
That's a simple question. You just airball it in an equation.
Wow. 98 of our berry. overall, Eric Berry.
Yeah, no.
Wow.
What?
Not even Ken does that.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing. 98
I
overall,
think
Berry.
even you would think that's weird.
Just open a couple of these packs. So it's even pull, I think,
I'm sure
good.
you saw that.
Packs aren't that good. Honors Cam. Bro. This Honors Cam is like real. If I pull the ball out of this, it's like a 1 out of a million out of all these things. Barry? Oh, Barry? Okay. So. Velocity or anything out of this. Doesn't look like that's with me right now.
I'm not sure.
Use the formula.
Oh.
See a couple more Mut-season packs. Get 10 Mut-season packs
That's the
till the end of the video.
how much you got.
10.
What's P?
Pie.
Oh.
9. I'll do one round of draft. 2. 8.
Oh, he wants some like half.
So first you have to figure out what the volume
Tim's.
of terms is.
7.
2-inch diameter.
6.
So what's the radius?
1.
Yeah.
5.
And the other one.
4. 3. We've almost got a legend. Not Oscar though. 2. And the final pack. If it's boom.
Wait, 0.5 was 0.5 or 1, right?
2, 1. Force and Jiki onset and draw it. Yeah, all the finger packs. There. Until I get a good pack. Yeah.
0.25.
Yep, but then you have to skip
Yeah.
the third power.
Yeah.
And then 0.25 times 0.5.
2.
You have to rip it out.
It's going to be the fairy final pack. So there's something called draft. So the Raiders. So I'll just
Finish up, Raider.
yeah, I know, I was done. Charles Johnson. So this is something called Draft Champions. Fun presenter.
The heck? How do I write
You can
that?
fullback.
Well, you did read the problem.
And receiver, linebacker.
Volume, actually, but it should be the diameter of each of these.
That linebacker. Right guard.
Oops.
Defensive tackle. Right halfback.
Oh, so you found
Cornerback.
the diameter of Tim's.
Receiver.
Or
Right
you
end.
found the volume for Tim's.
Cornerback. Receiver. Can't even.
But then you just have to find the diameter of Paul's.
Or you want half of that.
Okay, here's the last round of the draft.
So,
Should I get Larry Allen, right guard, and a halfback? Whatever, see.
I think what you did
That's a good
is
turn.
you want half
One
of this
last
one.
draft.
Mhm.
Do two guys.
You want 4/3.
Okay, let's see if I get the. Just gonna randomly draft all these guys.
Divided by
I should drafting the highest overall.
4/3 I and R cubed. Alright.
And the tackle.
So
Sure.
you get divided by
Wide
the size
receiver.
of 4/3
Oh yeah. Halfback, Robinson, Charles Woodson. There we go, that's the last round of the draft.
Do that.
Let's end it off with a final Mut-season back.
Equals R cubed, right?
Mm,
Mhm.
Use that for your
wow, that's actually pretty good.
cube root of what happens.
A fine
See what I mean?
Mut-season back. The end.
Do you really?
Let me see.
Probably gonna. Okay, anyways, guys, I'll see you
4/3.
later.
You know that he gets 4/3.
Captain X out.
Right?
Nah,
You want one half of that.
probably.